Hi guys, Alex here from Premium Sound, and today we're unboxing one of the most anticipated and one of the most expensive wireless speakers in 2021. Of course, the title gave it away, we're talking about Devialet Phantom I. Here it is, and in this video, of course, it is the unboxing, the specs, the first impressions, and comparison with the old version coming up next. Let's start with the box. Here we have a box which is very similar to the first generation Phantom Gold. On the top here we have the colorful pattern coming down to the side as well. At the front we have a, what do we have here? A blur of a person moving, which looks pretty cool. At the back here we have a closed eye, which by the looks of it, pun intended, indicates that it is kind of you closing your eyes and enjoying this luxurious sound that Devialet is known for. Let's put it to the side and open it up, see what we have inside, shall we? Oh yes, is it alive? It looks so nice, it's like a perfectionist dream, everything is where it needs to be. Let's start with this little box here. Phantom implosive sound, implosive it is. Put it to one side and let's get this box out. Somewhere there. Anyway, here we have the speaker, nice and sealed, super excited to see what's inside. Let's put it to one side for the time being and let's have a look what we have inside this little box here. I take it as accessory box, but we shall see what they're hiding in there. I heard there might be a surprise. Ooh, look at this! Of course, we have the, come out, we have the information pack here, which we really need, of course. Put it to one side and whoa, look at this bad boy. We have the beautiful remote control in black. I forgot to tell you, this is actually matte black version of the Phantom I. So the remote seems to be matching the blackness of the speaker, which is great. The remote control actually wasn't included in the original Phantom Gold. You had to buy it separately for like 170 quid, 179 to be precise, which was a expensive remote control, which the first generation remote controls didn't have any of those, by the looks of it, sensor buttons. It just had this beautiful ring where you can control the sound and literally nothing else. You can buy a remote for 179 quid without the functionality of a remote. Exciting. Here it is the second generation remote control, which comes with the Devialet Phantom, which is great. It is much slimmer, which is amazing. It feels super premium, and the ring itself, which controls the sound, I'm taking it from the previous generation. It looks and feels very premium as well. We have the buttons here to go forward and backwards and forwards, which is great. The play pause button, which is great as well, and on switch at the back. And on the side here, micro USB connection here as well. I don't know why don't they upgrade to USB-C. It's 2021, but okay, not everyone is there yet. Inside here we have the beautiful black power cable for the speaker to match the remote control, to match the speaker color as well, which is great. It looks exactly the same as in the first generation. So put it to one side, and we have the charging cable for the remote control. And by the looks of it, everyone is following the Apple's, should I say, lead, and they're not including any power blocks here as well. And we're coming down to the main event, which is the Phantom I brand new speaker. Awesome. Here the box is. Let's look at it from all sides. We have at the top here that you can see, we'll probably cut there. It just looks great. So symmetrical on each side, which is great. On the sides here, at the back, we have just some information about it, and on the front, there is literally nothing. And on the sides, of course, is it alive? I guess we'll find out. Let's cut it open. I am so excited, you have no idea. I'm literally shivering a little bit. Oh yeah. Let's open it up. Ooh, chills. It looks so great. It looks awesome. Let's take this beautiful silk cloth off. This is what I call an visual orgasm. This looks just absolutely amazing. Beautiful matte black finish, finally matte finish, which looks great. Here on the side we have these beautiful woofers, which by the way can push 30 kilograms of weight. Can you imagine? That's how powerful the woofers are. Each of them, there's two of them here, they can push 30 kilograms each. We have the beautiful darkened Devialet plate here, which looks super cool. Let's just test it out. Solid as it should be. At the back here we have the heatsink, of course, and coming all the way around we have this other side, which should obviously have this beautiful woofer as well. And on the front here, it just looks magnificent. Super stylish, very clean, very punchy look. It's just amazing. It kind of reminds me of the matte Tesla. It's just out of this world, something super futuristic. So this is the egg, should we say Devialet Phantom I in beautiful matte black finish. What can I tell you about this speaker? Well, first of all, something that you probably didn't know is the ADH at the back stands for analog digital hybrid system, and it is something that Devialet developed themselves. They are actually one of the most patented companies in the audio field. Can you imagine that? They have over 200 patents. This is one of them, and that's technology they've been developing for 3 years. And what it basically does, you have your analog amplifiers, which are usually quite big, and they produce a lot of heat, a lot of energy inefficiency there, but they produce amazing sound quality. When it comes to high levels of volume, they turn to terribleness, should we say, because there's a lot of saturation and there's a lot of distortion of sound. When it comes to digital amplifiers, they have a better reputation on the market. They are usually not very good for sound, but they generate amazing amount of current to start with. And so what Devialet did, they minimized both of those amazing technologies. You have the digital amplifier and the analog amplifier, minimize them, put them together, and you have the digital amplifier powering the analog amplifier. And what happens, this gives the Devialet that ability to punch the insane bass that it can get to, the insane volume levels without any distortion, without any saturation. Let's compare the two. On the right, we have the new Devialet Phantom I, and on the left, we have Devialet Phantom Gold. As you can see, the Devialet Phantom I, which is new, comes in two new finishes. We have the matte white and matte black, which both look amazing, and I think the matte finish gives that extra premium feel. When it comes to the previous generation, which was glossy, it looks a little bit plasticky, and I think it reduces the value that you get for your money. Now, when it comes to the new Devialet Phantom I, we also have new internals. We have the new generation processor and the upgraded software, which is just not available for the previous generation of speaker. Additionally, with the new Devialet Phantom I, you get the remote controls, which I think is an amazing addition for that ease of use when you use them in your home. Now, let's get to the sound test. The speaker is connected. I've just connected it to my phone. Let's have a look here through Wi-Fi, which is a great feature. Thank God it has been invented. There are certain things that we can test this on. Volume 45%. Sounds good. Let's get all the way to the 100, see if the myths are true. Whoa, what can I say? At 100% volume, zero distortion as they promised. Jesus Christ, that 4,500 watts of power do make you think. The bass goes straight into your heart. Absolutely amazing. The one thing that I did notice, which is something very interesting, I have no idea how Devialet did this, but the speaker itself, even at the full volume, it didn't pass the vibration anywhere else. So you can see the cheeks are going in and out like crazy, but the bass of the speaker, the table itself, and just the surrounding things, nothing is really shaking. The vibrations don't go where they don't need to go. It all goes right into the air, right into your ears, It doesn't get wasted on any other things that surround it. That's pretty awesome. So overall, sound test passed for sure. Sounds great, clear, bassy, as Devialets should be. Absolutely amazing. Overall, the new Devialet Phantom I cost £2,790, which is a £300 increase on the previous generation. But once you consider that you get the remote control included in the package, which otherwise would cost you £179, I think it's a pretty fair deal, and it is an industry standard to increase the price somewhat when it comes to new generation of speakers, and these ones definitely worth every penny. The question is, would I buy one? And if I haven't had the Devialet before, I would most certainly buy the Devialet Phantom I. You get the new internals, the beautiful matte finish, which is just alone worth buying it over the previous generation. You also get the remote control included, which is very handy, and I would actually get two of them. The reason being is that they work beautifully together, pairing seamlessly, wirelessly together to give you that premium luxury home theater feel. You don't need an extra subwoofer, you don't need any amplifiers or any extra wires. You just put two speakers together, they pair together, they pair with your TV, and you have an amazing sound quality with that bass, which will rock your world. I can guarantee you that much. These speakers are available to buy now from our website, premiumsound.co.uk. I'll leave a link in the description below. So hopefully I'll see you there. As always, thank you very much for watching this video. Really appreciate your time. Don't forget to hit that like button, just destroy it completely. It helps out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and it really warms our soul. So thank you very much if you did. If you want more content like this, don't forget to click that subscribe button. We release videos quite frequently. So where are you gonna click next? We have your other videos here, we have some more videos here. Which one is it gonna be? Is it gonna be this one? This one? Which one? Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.